go on the slide. Yay!
Be careful, Bluey. You don't want to get hurt.
This is so much fun. Don't worry. 1, 2, 3, go! Ow! Ow!
Oh no, Bluey, what happened? Are you okay?
Ow! I hurt my leg. It hurts so bad.
Come on, Bluey, let's go take you to the first aid kit. Okay, we have our first aid kit here, Bluey. Don't worry. We are going to patch up your leg so you feel better.
Okay, I'm really scared.
Don't be scared, Bluey. We're just gonna go ahead and open up our doctor kit over here. We got lots of good stuff that we need. We don't need these scissors or the thermometer, but we do need some gauze here to just wipe your leg. And then we also need a couple band-aids. Okay, first let's wipe your leg over here. This might sting a little, but it's gonna clean it before we put the band-aid. So there we go, it's all clean. Okay, now let's take our band-aid and let's put our band-aid on you. There we go, Bluey. It's all done and it's as good as new.
Yay! I'm starting to feel better already. Thank you. Time to go play again. Whoa, look at how cool this horsey is. This is gonna be so much fun.
Be careful, Bluey. You don't want any more injuries.
Woohoo!
Ouchie, I bumped my head. Oh no, Bluey, are you okay? Come on, let's go get the doctor kit again. Bluey, you have to be careful. You could really hurt yourself.
Okay, but it looked like so much fun.
Okay, let's go in our doctor kit again. We're gonna clean it again with the gauze, and we're gonna put some more band-aids on Bluey's head. Probably 2 this time. Okay, Bluey, let's just wipe it over here. Sorry, it might sting a bit. Let's just dab it. There we go. Okay, let's put one band-aid here. There we go. Let's put another one across like this just to be safe. There we go. Perfect. You'll feel better in no time, Bluey. You just gotta be extra careful from now on. You don't want to hurt anywhere else.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I think Bluey has had enough playing for today. She needs to go rest so she can have her boo-boos better. See you next time.